Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest update. This is the update on Typhoon Pepito, which is now fast approaching the Bicol Region, expected to landfall within the next 24 hours. And this is for today, early Saturday morning, November 14, 2024, English version, brought to you by Typhoon 2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here, or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. Well, let's begin with our update. It looks like the Bicol Region is in grave danger, particularly with Catanduanes and the Partido District in Camarines Sur, Gastoquena, Siruma, and Caramuan, as well as the coastal areas of Camarines Norte and Pulilio Island, and also the rest of the northern and central Luzon. Looks like it will be under the path of this system. A little more to the west or veer to the west will affect the whole Bicol region. So please take all necessary precautions, since the system is set to make landfall around between 8 p.m. to 12 midnight tonight. Okay, so let's begin now with our update. Here's the latest animation from windy.com, and you can see here the large eye beginning to become much clearer, and it's entering an area of very warm oceanic heat content. Here's the infrared, and as you can see, these are very strong convective signature along the eye wall. And let me show to you the track. This is the track that we created around 5 p.m. and the system right now is currently here at this point, and it's moving west-northwest, and it's likely to pass here over Catanduanes. A veer or a bend towards the west will put Naga City and the rest of the Bicol region under the damaging winds, but based on this track, it will only affect the areas of Caramuan Peninsula or Partido District, the coastal areas, and also Catanduanes with winds of more than 100 to more than 150 kph. And it's likely, let's hope and pray that the track will continue to move this way so that we'll be spared, and also we will continue to keep an eye on this system. I will still try to bring you the latest analysis within the next 12 hours before the arrival of this system, and let's all pray that it will still change and make a southern turn towards the north, because the high pressure ridge up north is beginning to a little weaker, and it's already on the southwestern side of this high pressure ridge. Here's the oceanic heat content that I'm talking about, and look at that. It's still very warm, and this is the system right now is here, okay, and it's beginning to enter a very warm area of the oceanic heat content, so we expect this to still continue to rapidly intensify, and it's forecast to reach category 4 or even 5. We are not going to rule it out, so please prepare at our fullest capacity, since the system is already going into a catastrophic scenario of this powerful system. And here's the zoom, okay, zoom satellite. So this is the track. Like I said, if it changes here, this red thing will go down, and it might affect Camarines Norte, Partido, most parts of Partido, and some of it will affect or will rush the northern barangays of Naga City. So let's all hope and pray that this track will persist or even go towards this direction. And I hope it will go this way so that folks up here over Luzon will not be affected. But let's all be prepared, okay? And here's the multi-agency tracks of this system. It's now 185 kph, but as I speak right now, it's already at 200 plus. And here's all Asian agencies, and it looks like they're now agreeing. Same with our track, which is somewhere here on the northern end. Pag-asa is here. So it's really on a tight cluster of all the Asian agencies. It points towards the northern tip of Catanduanes. Okay, even the Joint Typhoon Warning Center has shifted. Early this afternoon, it's here, but it's now back to northern and the middle part of Catanduanes. So folks listening here or viewing our YouTube channel and Facebook, there in Catanduanes, please take all necessary precautions. The strong winds expected to arrive later this afternoon. So we have now wind signal number 2 raised over Catanduanes, Partido District in Camarines Sur, and also the eastern Albay area, Tiwi, Tabaco, and the eastern sections of Sorsogon, Bacon, Manito, as well as other areas. Okay, northern Samar as well, the northern part of eastern Samar, while signal number 1 is already raised across the eastern sections of Luzon, including eastern sections of Calabarzon. So please take all necessary precautions. Metro Manila will be spared if the track will go like this. Okay, but if it bends like this, Metro Manila will be in danger. So please monitor the track of this system every 6 hours. And for the wind, it's forecasted to reach a high of 230 kph or 125 knots. Okay, and look at the shear, very low, so it has also having a good time of intensifying. Here's what I'm worried about. This is the wind model from Dr. Kerry Emanuel, MIT, and the chips ensemble continues to show a peak of more than 300, just one line. Okay, nothing to mention. I will not mention this anymore since this is very dangerous. It's just 140. There's probability that it could reach 260 kph. That's 140 or category 5. So again, please be careful and take care. Okay, so here over Bicol Region, the shear is so low. And here's now the steering environment. Where's the low? I am in the high pressure. We're gonna click now the uppermost part, which is for a Super Typhoon strength. The system or Pepito is currently here, and it looks like there's a break in the ridge, and that's why the system will pass along the middle or northern part of Catanduanes. And if this high pressure moves here, this powerful system will also move more to the north, something like that. So we shall see. Let's hope and pray that it goes that way. We have only 24 hours before we will be affected by the rain bands of this system. Here's the rain conditions. 6-hourly rain. I'm gonna show to you. So here we go. Let me move this. It's so hard to move. Okay, there you go. So it looks like around 3 p.m. Catanduanes and Partido District will already experience some rain, and then during the afternoon and evening it will start to affect maybe the eastern part of Camarines Sur and also Naga City between the evening until the early morning, and the worst will be absorbed by the coastal areas of Partido, like areas Siruma, okay, Garcitorena, and Caramuan. And then around 9 or 12 noon, the system will start to move away or depart. Okay, around 10 or 12 noon. So the worst of this system will begin during the night time until the early morning hours of Sunday, and most likely around noontime it has departed the Bicol region, since it's moving fast at 28 kph. And if we move this into a 24-hour rain, most of the rainfall is really during the night time of Saturday until the morning hours of Sunday. And this rainfall, which affects most parts of Camarines Norte, the eastern, and most likely the central parts of Camarines Sur, will also receive rainfall of up to 200 millimeters. In areas along the path or within the core or eye wall, we'll be expecting 24-hour rain of up to 300 or 400 millimeters. Okay, so that will induce flooding and landslides, flash floods as well. So it will last for about 12 hours, and then late Sunday it's already gone. Okay, so we switch now on the wind. This now the wind, based on the European model, it is expected to reach Bicol Region in the afternoon over Catanduanes and the Partido District in the evening. This is the area of damaging winds, this one. So it looks like the damaging winds is over the area of the Caramuan Peninsula, while here we expect winds of 60 to 100 kph over the rest of the Bicol region, except for the western sections. Those along the east coast will experience winds of more than 100 kph, and along the path like Catanduanes will be having a gustiness or wind of more than 200 kph. Okay, and we're going to show you here the American model. This is the American model, so it's around 100 kph. This is on a low conservative value, so let's be prepared for the worst. Okay, we still have time, 12 hours left, and we'll try to return maybe in the afternoon or before sundown. I'm gonna show to you the track of the JTWC based on the forecasted motion that it will strike here over the vicinity of this is Catanduanes. So the destructive winds is expected to be felt here in that area, but if the track moves more to the north here, the powerful winds will shift here. Okay, so it depends on the track. If it makes landfall over the Caramuan Peninsula, Naga City will have a piece of just about more than 100 kph for a few hours, and then it will die down. So it depends. If it does shift more to the left and makes landfall over or slice the whole Bicol region, it looks like the winds will increase to more than 100 or 200 kph. So let's hope it will not go that way. Okay, so we need some rest, and we will be back within the day for the very latest on this potential super typhoon. Typhoon 2000, please take care. Okay, take all necessary precautions and prepare for the worst of this approaching super typhoon, potential super typhoon. And folks up there over Aurora and Central Luzon must be prepared as well. This is Mike Padua. Stay safe. Good morning, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.